Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the rear trunk panel cover off for a Lexus LS460. But basically you're going to have two kind of push pin sort of deals going on, body panel clips. I believe it's going to be one right there in the center and then one right over there. If you do have a panel puller, which I'll put a link to one in the description below, that'll work. Unfortunately, I kind of ripped mine taking them out. Once you have those out though, there's going to be a molding that goes around your trunk latch release. So you don't actually need to take out the trunk latch itself, but the molding right here is what needs to come out. And if you notice, there's little clips on the side of it. So basically you're just going to want to get a big wide flat thing, like maybe a putty scraper or something of the sort, to go ahead and pry that off. And it's the same thing here with the whatchamacallit, with the trunk button. This one, as you'll see, has clips on either side, so you can you're basically going to want to do the same thing there and just go ahead and wedge the side of it and pop it out, and then your whole liner should come down. And to take out your actual trunk latch is going to be a couple bolts. There's going to be one right there, one right there, and one right there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that removed really quick and get my new one installed. I did buy it off of eBay. I will put a link to it down in the description below. Let's see if that fixes it. I'm going to go ahead and pull the fuse too, which of course is located down in there. It's going to be the top right, number 14 fuse. Don't confuse it.